If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today in this video, me and my friend Alexis and our dads all went deep sea fishing out in the Gulf of Mexico. This is my friend Alexis. She will be recording part of it. And we were in the Gulf of Mexico, which we were in Florida, so we were kind of in this section of it. But we did catch barracudas, so these are barracudas. And if you want to see more barracudas, then check out my shark diving video where I actually went swimming with them. And so we started out in Florida, and we were going out to this section to catch Creval jack, which this is one of them, and here's more of them. So we were going to use that as bait for the barracudas. And so here we are. We're all like using one fishing pole because we didn't have much bait, but we were 2 miles out, I think, to catch barracudas. And there we had a few failed attempts, and he got chopped in half from the barracuda.
Predator fish down there, you know?
He just bit him in half. And the fish is like, ah!
And then another failed attempt. And then we were using shrimp to catch the jack, but you know, now we're using the jack to catch the barracuda. Here is where we caught one, which that's my dad reeling it in. It took like 4 minutes to get it in, which I cut a lot of it out.
So how long does it take for them to get tired?
They don't fight too long. But okay. Once he gets up to the boat, he'll probably make a couple more runs.
He's right. Oh my gosh. Wow. Are we gonna get him on the boat? Hey, that was scary.
We didn't end up bringing him on the boat because they said it was too dangerous. So we took pictures from the water.
Wow. He's jumping out.
Only problem with these guys is I'm not gonna kill them. So they're really dangerous on the boat if they're not.
Yeah, they'll cut you up, right?
But if you want to get them up.
Not really.
If you want to get them up right here.
Come over here.
Oh my god, look at those teeth.
Get your face over the side of the boat and get a picture from this side, and I'll get them close to the boat.
I'm videoing. You're smiling.
Smile at the camera.
You can hold the line
Scoot that way a little bit.
Just don't touch the line.
Okay. Good.
Can you swim away?
Just look at it.
It is.
Next, after the barracuda, we went here to catch some mangrove snappers, which I didn't get any pictures of them because he said we would get pictures of them whenever they were filleted. But that was him cutting them up, and this is what they look like. And I'm pretty sure we each caught one. And so there he was cutting him up because we were going to take him home to eat. But I let mine go because I don't eat fish, and so why kill another one? Right there. So he would throw the remains of the fish, like not the meat part, into the water, and the fish would come up and eat the remains of it. I don't remember what type of fish he said they were, but they looked pretty big.
Nope, that thing disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared. I was like, wait.
Don't.
Is he dead? I feel bad if he's dead. Yeah, well, he's dead now. Oh, yeah.
Well, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, then leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.